Okay guys, another day, another purchase. It's a chair cushion. Kasi sumasakit yung likod ko. Ang sakit niya lagi. Grabe yung puting buhok ko. Ang sakit niya. So, I decided to get this and see if mag-i-improve yung ating back situation. I'm so excited to use this kasi sakit talaga ng likod ko. So, so ganyan siya. This is for the back and this is for yung seat cushion mismo. Currently, I have 2 pillows and then ito, medyo flat na kasi siya kaya masakit na sa likod. So, papalitan ko siya nitong binili natin na seat cushion. Ganyan ba? I think ganyan. Ooh, it feels weird. I don't know. Pero I'll try it out and then I'll let you know if it works. Bye!